Hello friends, this video I will share with you how you can disable your Android smartphone Imo application notification. So at first open your Imo application, then go settings, this is the settings. So there is all of information about if you want to disable notification, sound or light or pop-up. So there is if you remove this right icon, that if you give like this, it will show the light, sound, pop-up, vibration. If you make empty, it means it will disable. So if you want to disable the group notification, vibration, everything, click there, same thing, disable. Okay, story notification also you can disable here. Click, and call settings, if you want to vibration, or click vibration, keep it, and you can set the ringtone also. So I hope you understand. Thank you for watching my video.